Shopify multilingual and multi-region information. If you have international customers, then it's understandable why you don't want them to be able to browse your products in their own language. By having access to this information in their native language, your customer will be able to have a better understanding of the product you are offering, which will in turn result in more sales. Here's the good news. Shopify allows you to make your store multilingual. You will need to create a separate URL for your translated content in order for your customer to see the translated version. Another option for giving your customer the desired translation is incorporating third-party apps like Weglot that will translate your store. This is a very useful option that's worth looking into. There are many reasons as to why someone would want to expand their Shopify store to new countries. It could potentially result in an increase in customers and sales and improve your targeted advertising. You can include multiple countries that span across multiple continents, provided that your stores have their own currencies, domain, and inventory. The choice of which countries you expand your business is up to you. In order to make the best decision, you'll need to do your research for where your business might be popular, as well as listen to the inquiries and wishes of your potential customers who might not have access to your product due to shipping restriction. You will need to go through a few steps in order to set up your store in another country, but fortunately, the team at Shopify has created a comprehensive guide that lists all the things you need to do in order to make your store multi-regional. Shopify Support. Having access to tech support is crucial for any business. You never know what kind of problem you might run into. As you know by now, one of the benefits of using Shopify is the 24/7 phone support that's available for its customer. Apart from phone support, you can also get in contact with support team from Shopify through various social media platforms and email. If you are the type that like to get quick answer, you can always use their 24/7 live chat support. Apart from contacting their support team, you can also access useful information through using their help centers, where you can choose to read tips or information regarding a certain issues you might be having. That being said, one of the disadvantages of using Shopify is their response time. Namely, some customers are disappointed about how long it takes Shopify support to get back to you, which usually entails a 30-minute hold time. This might be due to growing numbers of customers they have. Okay, to the nitty-gritty of this Shopify review. How does Shopify work? Right after taking care of standard sign up for form, your name, email, etc., you can get to use Shopify's wizards that will help your e-commerce store. First, they ask you about the things you are going to be selling. Giving the most accurate answer here will make your future experience with the platform even easier, so try not to select something at random. Next, you get to choose from a handful of the most popular options. The first one, create an online store, is what you are likely here for. In the next step, you will have to have the option of selecting design for your online store and deciding on how it's going to look. Online store designs and Shopify theme. No Shopify review can skip the design talk onward. Shopify offers contemporary, sophisticated design around 100 of them. So you are sure to find something that suits your style and the personality of your e-commerce store. Additionally, everything is optimized to be viewed on desktop, mobile, and tablets. If you haven't committed to a theme yet, you can also check out our more detailed post on e-commerce theme and templates. You can picking your design. You don't need to pay much attention to what kind of product are on sale within that demo template. This is only example stock and whatever design templates you select. The theme we selected to test in this review is called Reach. It's simple minimalist design yet functional for most purpose. Whatever template is decided to go for, you can make adjustment, a couple of tweaks here and there to make it look exactly how you want. Shopify customization interface provide a range of options neatly displayed one after another, so you can just go through them from top to bottom and fine tune every little detail about the design.